How to access the data folder in Android 14. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you will need an application called Z-Archiver. Simply launch your Play Store and then search for Z-Archiver. This is the application that you would be looking for. Simply install the application and launch it. Now give permission to your file access. Now as you can see, all your datas or your data folders are here. To show that it works, I will simply copy the application. You can also convert it to zip, or if it is in zip, you can convert it to any other format. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.